Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
That's definitely not what I would have done. People seem to forget who has the right of way when turning. Silly me, I thought a red light meant stop. Well, that was scary. I can't forgive him for messing up my jam session. I guess a Porsche isn't for everyone. Two pedestrians barely escaped a fatal accident. This driver tries to bully his way into a turning lane, rages, and then crashes. They'd rather get pushed off the road by a truck than let it merge. This idiot crosses the double yellow line to speed through the oncoming lane. That's an interesting way to handle a turn lane. Why does this pickup driver merge into a semi in heavy traffic? This driver really needed to make a left turn from the far right lane. The light switches from a green arrow to a yield on green, but no one yields. This impatient driver decides to risk it just to get ahead of one car. I installed the Dashcam, and in the first 2 weeks, I captured these 2 fender benders. This truck driver tries to switch lanes without realizing the car was there. This idiot passes in the left lane in a parking lot, nearly hitting some kids. This idiot on a bike has no regard for his own safety. I guess the intrusive thoughts won.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.